Hi, this is Rangili Ruchi and you are watching the official Fever FM page. और आज हम आपका ध्यान खींच रहे हैं टुवर्ड्स 8th of May, जो दुनिया भर में वर्ल्ड ओवेरियन कैंसर डे के नाम से जाना जाता है. Alchem Oncology spreads awareness about the risks, symptoms and screening of ovarian cancer through their educational initiative Speak Out for Ovaries. So let's listen from the experts themselves about the various queries around ovarian cancer. चलिए जानते हैं. Thank you so much doctors for tuning in and sparing your valuable time. What is ovarian cancer and its symptoms?
Those cancers which generally arises from the ovaries. Now, what are these ovaries? Ovaries are the organs that are present on either side of the uterus from where the ovum production happens. So any cancers arising from these ovaries are called as ovarian cancers. Now, ovarian cancers is one of the most lethal cancers and a common cause of mortality among women. The reason for this is that most of these women who are suffering from ovarian cancers present to us at a very late stage or an advanced stage. Generally, what are the symptoms of ovarian cancers? Most of these patients will have abdominal pain, abdominal discomfort, pelvic pain, pelvic pressures, and sometimes discharge through the vagina also. And in an advanced stage, they have weight loss, they may have difficulty in breathing, severe back pain, a huge abdominal lump is felt over the abdomen. So all these are the symptoms of ovarian cancers.
What are the risk factors around ovarian cancer?
Ovarian cancer or cancer of the ovaries, which are the female reproductive organs that produce the ovum or the egg, is not a single entity but represents epithelial ovarian cancers in 90% of the cases, mostly in postmenopausal women, germ cell tumors in younger women, and also sex cord stromal tumors. The lifetime risk of developing ovarian cancer in the general population is 1.7%. Among the risk factors, increasing age, which is mostly seen in the 5th and 6th decades, 5 to 10% can be hereditary and mostly linked to the BRCA1 and BRCA2 mutations. Also, nulliparity or not having children confers an increased risk. On the other hand, having children, breastfeeding, tubal ligation and oral contraceptives decrease the risk of ovarian cancer.
What are the preventive measures for ovarian cancer?
The preventive measures for developing ovarian cancer are use of oral contraceptive pills. The females who use oral contraceptive pills, it has been seen that they have a role in reducing the risk of ovarian cancer by around 20 to 30%. Next is breastfeeding. Breastfeeding has been seen to decrease the risk of ovarian cancer. Because during breastfeeding the ovary does not ovulate, so there is a reduced risk of development of breast cancer. So it reduces the risk by 30%, which has been seen in different studies. Are the multiparity, means a female who is multiparous or who has 1 or 2 children, or they are seen that they have decreased risk of development of ovarian cancer. Fourth is in females who have a family history of or a genetic risk of development of ovarian cancer. If we go ahead with a risk reducing salpingo-oophorectomy, that means the removal of the fallopian tubes, ovaries, it has been seen that this reduces the risk of ovarian cancer in those females as they are genetically prone to develop that.
What is the treatment for ovarian cancer?
Ovarian cancer is one of the commonest cancer among the women. They present with bloating sensation within the abdomen, menstrual irregularities, many of the non-specific complaints in the earlier stages. By the time they present with abdominal distension or breathing difficulty, the disease will be in advanced stage. So high index of suspicion should be there for diagnosing the ovarian cancer. Surgery is the mainstay of the treatment for ovarian cancer. Sometimes we tend to get the surgery done upfront, and sometimes we tend to give 3 to 4 sessions of chemotherapy and keep the disease under control, and then to get the surgery done at a later time point. We give vascular endothelial growth factor inhibitor injections, targeted therapies, and PARP inhibitors, taking into consideration especially the stage of the disease, the response to the treatment, and sometimes family history and genetics into consideration. We give PARP inhibitors.
Why is ovarian cancer awareness so important?
Ovarian cancer is one of the deadliest cancer that affects women in their 50s. and it causes more deaths than any other cancers of the female reproductive organs. It is called the silent killer because it causes vague symptoms which are ignored by the women easily and hence presenting in advanced stage. Hence, it is important to create awareness among women about the symptoms and so that it can be detected at an early stage. Most women have some kind of symptoms like unexplained bloating, abdominal pain, indigestion, urinary frequency, or nausea, vomiting, or weight loss. And many of these symptoms can go on for years before the cancer gets advanced into the abdominal cavity. If these symptoms or any one of these symptoms present for more than 12 days in a month, the woman should visit the doctor for an examination and investigation.
थैंक यू सो मच डॉक्टर्स फॉर योर वैल्यूएबल इंसाइट्स अबाउट ओवेरियन कैंसर. जितने भी लोग अभी हमें देख रहे हैं, whenever you notice any such symptoms, please consult your doctor immediately. याद रखिए, Speak Out for Ovaries, an educational initiative by Alchem Oncology.